The question is, which one of the following ions exhibits DD transition in paramagnetism as well? Now, if we look at this compound CrO42 minus, the metal ions, uh, the metal ions ionization is 6. The unpaired electrons and 0, which is diamagnetic. So, and in the next compound Cr272 minus, Cr's ionization is plus 6. So and unpaired electron is 0, so it is diamagnetic. Now let's check the next compound MnO4 2 minus. The metal ion ionization is plus 6 and it will be 3d1. So unpaired electron is 1 because in 3d1 and so on there is one electron here and which is unpaired, so it is paramagnetic. And in the next compound MnO4 2 minus, its ionization is 7 plus and so there are 0 electrons unpaired, so it is diamagnetic. So the paramagnetic one is this one.